you must be wearing short shirts and shoes at all times. And lastly, you need to be seated at all times, facing forward. Keep all hands, arms, legs, and everybody else on the inside of the train. Other than that, just sit back and enjoy your journey around Kings Island. On your right is Mr. Timbers, and you're going underneath Diamondbacks. Those are my favorite rides here in the park. Park opened 54 years ago today, or not today, but Tuesday of this past week. This train was built specifically for Kings Island. We have two trains, the blue train and the green train. They were built as steam engines and were converted to propane instead of wood or coal. So they're very ecology-friendly trains. Right now you're going over a nice wooden trestle. That's what we call bridges on the train car. On your right, the brown building is the engine house. We park the trains there at night. We back them in so that they can get a fresh start in the morning. You can't see it right now, but our blue train is in there sleeping. Actually, it had an attitude today. When it was told it couldn't run, it was feeling sad and blue, so we decided to let it stay in there. Come around the corner, you're going to see a big old black bear. He used to be angry and hungry all the time. But now, the beaver built a dam. Then there's plenty of water in the dam for the salmon. So the bear is never hungry. He just goes grab some salmon whenever he needs to eat. I hate to disappoint everybody, but today we are not stopping at Soap City. So I guess it's a good thing since it's a little chilly today. A long time ago, before they built Soap City, our train actually used to do a little loop back through all that property. Unfortunately, we lost about a quarter mile of track, but we still have a station, and that gives our train a purpose. It's a passenger train now for heading to two different stations. Coming around to your right, you're going to see a fort. We've never teared the house down. So what we did is we swiftly built a fort around it at night. So what you can say about that house now is that it is a Taylor Swift fortnight. Look at the rocks over there. That's the Rolling Stones after their last concert. The jagged one is Mick. There's that bear. Look how happy it is since he ate some salmon since we went around. That's the barebacks. Coming up on your left is Western Town, and of course there's a horse bear. We call him Joe, but you guys can call him anything you want. Just say hey, because horses love hay. Wave to our gentleman on the porch. That was Daryl, and Daryl's dog. That's the gentleman up on the porch. And of course, that's Omar, our sheriff. Well, they've got the doors closed so you can't see Blue sleeping in there. Come back to Kings Island again this summer, you'll see Blue. A lot of times we are running boat trains at the same time. And on your right is the turntable. We used to be able to park the trains by putting it on the turntable and running them in and out of the garage. But now we just have to back the trains in at night. I am hearing a bell on the front of the train. That lets us know that your journey around Kings Island is about to come to an end. We thank you for riding with us on Kings Island Miami Valley Railroad. A few quick announcements as the train does approach the station. Please remain seated until the train is completely stopped. A lot of times, because when the train stops, the cars are still moving and there may be a jerk on the train.